guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Nikki if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a little vlog slash I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips that I have come up with recently. I kind of wanted to make my vlogs a little bit more, I don't know, I think helpful and like educational in a way. Not educational as in like I think I know what I'm talking about, but just kind of like life advice, and like I feel like I have a lot to share, and I share a lot on like other platforms and not as much on YouTube anymore. I'm about to head out to go to dinner with my friend and wedding makeup artist Nelly. She is my girl. We're gonna go to a steakhouse. We're gonna get some drinks, some steaks, just chit chat because we haven't like caught up in forever. But before that, I have like a little bit of time to kill in the car, and the restaurant's a little bit far away, so I was just going to like listen to a podcast, all that jazz. But before I head out, I want to share with you guys, I've been thinking like I've been kind of going through a weird transitional period in my life, and I have found a lot of ways to just like, although like I'm not exactly where I want to be in terms of like I can't wait to get married and I can't wait to have a home, and like I've been trying so hard to like feel my best with my hair and my skincare and, you know, my body and like getting in shape and all of that. And you guys know from this channel and like just from life, like I have had so many struggles, ups and downs, when like I look back and I see photos of myself where I think that's the best I've ever looked, and in that moment I couldn't appreciate it because I was so insecure and I had so little self-confidence. And I think that like unwavering self-confidence I've found now has so little to do with like how I look, and so much more to do with like what's on the inside and the active mindset shift that I make every single day and the choices that I make every single day that make me confident. So I kind of just wanted to chat about confidence for like a little bit, and how I've really transformed within the last, like, I would say year and a half, and give you guys like a little bit of a backstory and all that. So like when we first moved back from California back to our hometown, I was so horrendously down bad. Like I didn't realize it until a few months later, but like I was not taking care of myself in any way, shape, or form, mentally, physically, anything. Like I think I was so much in denial that we were moving that I just like, the last couple months in California, I was out every single day. I was filling up my time. I was filling up my mental capacity, and like no regrets because I had so much fun. But I also just like, when we finally made the move and we were here and we were settling into new life, like it really hit me like a ton of bricks, being like, well, I'm not where I want to be, and I'm not settled where I want to be, and you know, I don't look the way that I want to look, and like all of these things were just like hitting me at once, and it really took a toll on my confidence. And over this last, like, I would say year and a half, I have really, really tried. I would say more like the last year. The first 6 months when we first moved here was still kind of like wishy-washy. But I would say the last year, since last April, like right after Coachella of last year, I kind of hit a little rock bottom. Like after Coachella, I came back and I was so drained. I had been spreading myself so incredibly thin. I had not prioritized my me time. I had not prioritized the things that previously made me feel good, like my journaling every day, my fitness, sacred like alone time, like just time that I use every single day just for myself. I was always trying to occupy my time with other people and trying to always be doing things because I felt like I was scared to really get settled here and like realize that maybe I was bored or I'd made a mistake or whatever. And like until I finally realized that like it's really not about the place, it's about like your daily routines and like the way that you live your life every day and what you choose to do with your time and your energy. That's what makes a difference. And like I'm so happy now, and it doesn't matter like where I live. I'm happy. I get to go visit LA all the time, and I get to go visit New York and different states and travel for work, and that's all fine and great, and that definitely helps add to the whole like I'm happy no matter where I am. But it's also like these little routines and daily habits that I've put in place for myself every single day that really make all the difference. So I want to share a few tips. The first thing is, like I just mentioned, kind of making non-negotiables for yourself every single day and keeping those promises to yourself. Like no one else is going to know besides God if you do these things, like journaling for me, drinking my water, getting enough sleep, like going to the gym every single day. Even if I go out the night before, like I might go out till 2 a.m. 9 times out of 10, I'm still going to the gym that next day. Or if I'm not going to the gym, I'm still going at least for a walk. Like I'm still doing the things, I'm still getting up. It doesn't matter if I get up at 6 a.m. or if I get up at 2 p.m. I am still going to journal. I'm going to drink my water. I'm going to do the things that I keep those promises to myself and do the things that I know make me feel good, even in the moments where you don't want to, which is bringing me into my second one, is doing the hard things. Like, the times when you really don't want to do those things are probably the times that you need them the most, and when you're going to be the most proud of yourself that you actually did something for yourself. Like, that is when it really counts, is not when like, oh, I'm so motivated and I'm so happy right now and I'm having such a great time with my journaling and my workouts. It's really when you're like, I don't want to go to the gym right now, and you force yourself to go, even just for a walk, even just to get there and do some stretches. It's about the routine. It's about forcing yourself and challenging yourself, not in a self-hatred type of way, not in an unhealthy, toxic type of way, because trust me, I've been there. More of like in a self-love, like I need to challenge myself to do things even when they're hard, and that's what a challenge is. I did 75 hard. I didn't drink for 75 days. I did 2 workouts a day. You know what 75 hard is. Like, I did that, and that was something that, like, it really is mental toughness. It really is, like, every single day you are actively choosing to do this, and nobody cares if you do it or not. Like, yes, I put it on the internet, so like people would be like, oh, you quit, but like ultimately I don't care about other people. Like, it really has to be for you, because so many people quit and don't finish the things that they say they're going to, and so many people just bail on the stuff that they commit to. Like, now I actually just do the thing. Like, it's so a part of my routine that I just do the thing, and now I enjoy it. Like, these routines, these little daily habits that I do every single day make my life enjoyable, even though I live in the middle of nowhere. Like, yes, I don't live in a big city anymore. Yes, blah, blah, blah. My life's not as exciting day to day, but like, it's exciting to me because I'm bettering myself every day. I feel good about myself. I feel really healthy. I feel really happy. I'm a good partner. I'm a good friend to people around me. Like, these things make you feel good about yourself because you're putting in that effort into yourself. Also, just doing things as though you are already your higher self. Like, if you have a goal to be X, Y, and Z, or act a certain way, or live a certain life, do things that they would do. Like, think about what your absolute highest, best self, like most highest achieving, most productive, most whatever, smart, successful self would do. What habits do they do? Do those things. Why are we not doing them now? How are we supposed to align ourselves with that version of ourselves if we're not acting the way that they would act? So I just woke up one day and I was like, okay, well, highest version of me, she would be sleeping for 9 hours. She would be going to the gym. She would be getting all of her work done. She would be consistent with this, this, and this. And like, this is what I'm doing day to day now. And it's transformed me into that person 1 year later. Yes, it's not an overnight success type of thing. For some people it might be, but for me, it's definitely taken time and work. Daily affirmations, like telling yourself every day, like, I'm beautiful, I'm worthy, and like changing your mindset. Like, if you start to say something negative about yourself, words are so powerful that like sometimes I'll catch myself and being like, ugh, like, I just, you know, one day this is going to happen to me, or like saying something bad or negative about myself, like, oh, I just look disgusting, and then being like, no, I don't. I look amazing. I'm beautiful. I'm amazing. I'm worthy. I'm this, that, and the third. I'm successful. I'm smart. I'm powerful. Like, it sounds so corny, but I'm telling you, like, once you start that, like, your tongue won't even turn to say those horrible things about yourself that you used to say, because you don't want those things to come into fruition. You don't want those things to come true. So like, you want to say all the most amazing things about yourself. And like, when I'm journaling, I write those affirmations out every single day, being like, I am successful. I am beautiful. I am healthy. I am blah, blah, blah. Like, all those things, I say those things and I write them down every single day. And it sounds corny at first, but once you get into it, like, it really changes your life. And then lastly, on a kind of vain note, pulling yourself together every single day. Like, even if I'm just going to the gym, I'm wearing a matching set. Even if I'm in sweatpants, it's a matching sweatpants. Even if I'm at home, like, I'm wearing cute pajamas. Even if I'm barefaced, it's still like glowing skin, skincare on, hair pulled back. Like, I just try, don't get me wrong. Sometimes you might catch me slipping, like, but I try to make those moments few and far between where like I actually look like a bum, because not because I care what other people think of me, because everybody looks like a bum sometimes, and that's fine. We all have our days. But for your own self, sometimes I'll catch myself in the mirror and be like, who's that? And like, it's not all about the physical, but it does make a difference. And like, we are so lying to ourselves if you say that like your physical appearance doesn't change the way that you act or like the way that you feel about yourself. So like, even just doing a little bit of something to make myself feel put together helps. Even just putting on perfume, body spray, like a little bit of lotion, a little bit of body lotion, like those things change the way that I feel about myself. Like pulling my hair back into a nice ponytail instead of like bumps and like, you know, looking crazy. So yeah, that's that. Those are like my 5 top, would be 10, 5 top confidence tips as of right now. I probably can think of a million more, but like those are just right off the top of the dome. But I'm gonna head to dinner. My camera's literally overheating, and I will catch up with you guys when we meet up with Nelly.
We really aren't. I didn't mean to. She had oysters. Aphrodisiac.
We're about to take some pics. Get in there. Go up. I'm not gonna get like the Fleming side. What do you want? Like feet? No feet?
I got this in my mouth.
Swallow it.
I want whatever. I want whatever makes me look.
Like you could do a little.
Now it's your turn. Now it's her turn. Or him. Other way. No.
Party rocking. That camera was still recording. Hey, Pup Cups.
Listen.
Ring. Hey, Pup Cups. She was late. I was there waiting for her for like 17 years.
Fashionably late.
You actually can't rely on these hoes because these hoes ain't loyal.
First of all,
let
me tell you something about hoes not being loyal.
Say it.
They're not.
Let's hear it.
They're not. I've never met one loyal bitch.
Look at these small ears. Look at the way that she's yelling in these small.
Oh, she's so tiny. She's a Polly Pocket.
My ears are really small. That's my actually one pick-me trait is that I will always say my ears are small.
My feet hurt.
But they actually are small. Well, maybe you shouldn't be wearing heels and you always drop my phone, you fucking bitch. Smelly Nelly.
That's fucked up.
She's smelly.
That's fucked up because
she's so smelly. She stinks.
No, because that's my biggest fear.
You don't smell. If you actually smelled, why would I say that you smell?
I hate smelly people.
Smell. Nelly can smell a cavity from like 45 miles away.
No, hold on.
There was one time a man with a cavity and Nelly goes, he smells.
No, this is fucked up because Kim Kardashian said that she can smell cavities, and I actually can smell cavities.
You actually can.
I know.
I'm scared to stink around you because if I ever
halitosis ginger, hello Helen Ginge.
If I ever smell, like you would catch it.
And I would tell you.
Yeah, you would. I hope you would tell me. I would be like, I don't know what's going on, but you fucking
smell right now. Ready? You like the timer now? Okay, good. Is it a video? You fucking little bitch.
Hey you guys, it's a few days later. I just stopped by to grab a coffee. I'm about to go get a hydrofacial and it's literally just a few days out from my bachelorette party. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be starting tomorrow a full bachelorette prep vlog because tomorrow I'm doing infrared sauna, I'm doing a solid core class, I am getting my nails and toes done. Today's my hydrofacial day, so I'm kind of gonna start in this vlog and continue in the next, but I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna also do a spray tan. I might self tan just because I know I'm gonna get tan there, but I want to get there and not be like pale as a ghost. And then on Wednesday I'm getting my hair done. We're gonna do all the things, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me to my hydrofacial and let you guys know how it goes with all of that, because I haven't got one in literally years. I'm so excited. My skin, I don't know if you can tell, but it's just dull, it's dry. My under eye circles, like, oh my gosh, I've been running around like a mad woman. I am exhausted. And so these next 3 days, today's Monday, we have Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday we leave for the bachelorette party. So we have quite a bit to do before then, but I'm going to eat a quick snack and then head over to my facial. Baby, that pussy was so worth the wait. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. Yeah, pop that shit. Pop that shit. Baby, that pussy was so worth the wait. I wasn't in love with none of them anyway. No, I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. In too deep. In too deep. In too deep. I'm in too deep. In too deep. Some bad bitches that's gon' fuck me for that AP. Fuck me for that AP. Fuck me for that AP. If I wasn't rapping, baby, I would still be trapping, baby. Coming down on sipping sticks. Boppers on me, hella crazy. No Mercedes, my baby. 2022 updated. 40 mile sponsor club. Shop spending hundreds like that. I'm loving dropping bands on her. Emilio Pucci covering her up. We turn the studio into a strip club. Got the strippers Hey guys, just finished my facial. It was so good. I just stopped at Chipotle and I got myself a little bowl because I was hungry. So I got a salad bowl with chicken. Actually, I'm lying. Hold on. I got steak, guac, pico, corn, a tiny bit of black beans. Whoa, 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 my guac. I'm about to lose my guac. What else? The fajita veggies. And I have some of the vinaigrette, and I'm about to go home and add my own Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. The bachelorette's in a couple days. I just want to be a little bit on the healthier side, even though, like, whatever. Like, I could have put rice and all that, but, like, I already get so full from just this that, like, I didn't even need it. But I do love a sour cream moment. I didn't put cheese. I normally put cheese, and I normally put brown rice, but I wanted to be a little on the healthier side, a little bit lighter. And it's really hot outside, so I kind of wanted something more fresh. But yeah, that's what we're looking with. What we're working with. But the facial was amazing. She did some extractions, so that's why I kind of look a little cray, but the glow, insane. But yeah, that's all for today. I'm gonna go back home, walk Dinky, start packing, trying all my fits, figure out some Miami looks, and get right back into it. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.
Bitch on demon time. She don't get sleep. You get straight, not my